Go. Guys, it's already cooked. Look at my lasagna. So yummy, guys. It's my potato lasagna. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys. Hi, guys. I'm just going to show you how I make my potato lasagna. So I'll show you the ingredients. It's gluten-free. Of course, I always make gluten-free for my husband so he can eat this. So I have the lasagna sheets, the gluten-free one, and I have the potato. I peel off the potato. Like I got here 8 potatoes, and this is for our, we don't eat cheese, so I made a cashew cheese. And for our sauce, for our toppings, I have eggplant and mushroom, and I have tofu, and I have onion, garlic, carrots there, and capsicum, and I will put also lentils and tomato sauce and some salt in it. So some herbs, it has herbs in it, so that's it. So let's saute. It's ready. You just put your garlic. So you just saute your garlic and your capsicum and your onion. Saute it to give it cook it more so that it's nice and tastes yummy. I'll just put my carrots there. They will just cook together there. Then my mushroom, put there. They will just cook together, so I'll just put my tofu. I mash the tofu. If you could not have tofu, it's okay. You can just put mushroom. And then I put my soy sauce. Just according to your preferences. And a little bit of salt. First. Then you saute more. I don't cook fully because I have to bake this in the oven. Then I put my lentils. Lentils. Then you just stir and stir. And then I have my organic cassata with basil. I just put in there. So that's my toppings. I already put my sauce. Just a quick pass. Then you mix it. Then I have my Italian herb mix. Let's put some of the Italian herbs mix. So it has herbs flavor. Then I have my eggplant. And you just cover it and it will just cook. And I can add more tomato sauce later. Okay.
Go.
Guys, I have here potatoes, like 8 potatoes, and I have to boil this so it's not so hard when you eat this. And I have to just cut in a circle, and then I boil this and not super cooked. So that's how I cook this one. And then I have my pot there. I put that in my pot. So that's how I cut. Just make it into a circle. But if you have the Salad Master food processor, it's so quick. We have, but we haven't opened it yet. That's okay. Hi guys, so I already cut all the potatoes and I put a little bit of water that it will just cook. And I put some salt in it, sprinkled, but it's not a lot of salt. Just have a taste of the potato. And so you can see it's boiling. And I'll just put the fire down. Guys, so this is my potato lasagna. So I put my cooked potato, but not really overcooked. Then you look my sauce, my fillings. I already cooked my fillings. So you just add more tomato sauce if uh, whatever your preferences and your taste. So that's how I make mine. So you put your fillings. Then after your fillings is your lasagna sheets. I use gluten-free lasagna. This one. So let's lay it. Lay it, guys, there. There, and then we have put some cashew cheese that I make. It's just a cashew, water, salt, and garlic in it. That's cheese I'm using. Okay. Then I'll put again my toppings there. It's a lot of topping. It's yummy when you put a lot of toppings, guys. Really yummy. Then I just put my potato again. So that's just, you just repeat it, guys, what I did. Okay. Just put there and we will lay it together there. Lay it. Okay, like that, guys. Just lay your potato. Just lay them. It's really hot. Okay, be good. Then let's put our sheet again. More sheets. Lasagna sheets. Let's put our cashew cream. This makes the lasagna sheets cook because of the cashew. Okay. Put our toppings. We need a lot of toppings. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, then you just repeat it, guys, then put your cashew on top. Okay. Thanks. You look, it's done. And then I'll just put this in the oven and bake this for 50 minutes in 160 degrees. So I put on top the potato and the toppings and the cashew. So let's do it. Okay, I'll just put in 160 or 170. Just check it, guys. And for 40 minutes, then I can check it. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Go. Guys, it's already cooked. Look at my lasagna. So yummy, guys. It's my potato lasagna. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys.